How will you know that Allah loves you? I'll give you 6. Number 1, you will feel His love daily, and you will feel it increasing. It is impossible for you to love Allah and you don't feel His love. Remember that. Number 2, you will find love from the acts of worship increasing. You start loving acts of worship more. You'll just love them more. You don't even have to try. You just, no, why am I loving to pray all of a sudden? Why is it becoming so special to me? Number 3, you will find hate and discomfort in disobeying Allah. It'll increase. The more and more you'll just start disliking. I don't know, just the friends that used to take in bad, I don't feel like going anymore. Why, what's happened to you? I just don't like that stuff. Number 4, you will find yourself talking to Allah more often and without hesitation. I saw a little clip of a worker in Medina who cleans. You know, those workers, nobody really asks about them. He's sitting there in his blue outfit in the Masjid al-Nabawi, and he's talking like this. Okay, so you can see it's like he's talking to some invisible person in front of him and saying, this is what I can understand. I said to him that, and he kept on doing that, and I went this way, and that happened, and I tried, and I don't know what to do. Like that, that's what it looks like. He's talking with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as if he's talking to a friend. Do you understand? When you can talk to Allah like that, you have a relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. La ilaha illallah. What a beautiful, beautiful thing for someone to reach that point. Number 5, you will feel a sense of inner peace. Yes, on the outside things don't go your way. You'll go through pain. Sometimes you go through worries. In fact, worry is a sign of iman. You probably think, what? Worry? There's a difference between worry and anxiety irrationally when you don't know what it is you're worrying about. But if there's something real and you worry about it and you rely on Allah, you get rewarded for it. Rasulullah ﷺ went through worries, very, very hard, but it was real. And you rely on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you turn to Allah, you get rewarded for that. You get rewarded for your sadness, you get rewarded for your little pain, you get rewarded for a pick of a needle, you get rewarded for your fears, something really and you're afraid and you turn to Allah. You get rewarded for your sadness of the past, fear of the future, pain right now. You get worried from people harming you or hurting you. All of that inshallah you get rewarded for. And lastly, you will love those He loves. A blessing, not a seeking. Meaning, you'll find your heart drawn by itself. Brothers and sisters, love is not something you seek. Love comes as a blessing from Allah through the treatment and actions.